In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple greeting workflow in n8n with webhooks, functions, and HTTP requests. We'll build a simple automation that listens for a link with a couple of query parameters, turns those into a friendly message, and then posts that message to any URL you choose. This is a great way to understand how data moves through n8n from trigger to transformation to delivery. Start by opening your browser, heading to your n8n instance, and signing in. On the dashboard, create a new workflow so you have a clean canvas to work with. Add a webhook node using the plus icon. The webhook is your trigger, the thing that starts the workflow when it receives a request. Set its path to something short and memorable, like greeting hook. This path becomes part of the URL you'll use to fire the workflow from your browser or any HTTP client. Keep it simple and consistent, because the exact path determines the link you'll share or test. The webhook will read query parameters sent on the URL, which is perfect for our use case. Next, add a function item node. This node lets you run a small JavaScript function on each incoming item. We'll use it to read the query parameters from the webhook, specifically name and event, and build a personalized greeting. For example, if the request includes those parameters, create a single field called greeting with text like, "Hello, name? Welcome to the event." If either value is missing, you can default to something generic so the message still makes sense. Connect the webhook node to the function item node so the data flows in order. Now add an HTTP request node. This is where we'll send the greeting, set the method to post, and paste in the destination URL where you want the message delivered. In the body parameters, map the greeting value coming from the function item node so it's included in the request body. Use clear keys and ensure the body format matches what the destination expects, typically JSON. Then connect the function item node to the HTTP request node. Click Execute Workflow. This puts the webhook in listening mode so you can test. Copy the webhook URL and open it in a new tab, appending your query parameters. For example, det name sample user and event conference. That request triggers the workflow. The function item builds the message, and the HTTP request node posts it to your chosen endpoint. Remember that parameter names are case-sensitive and spaces should be encoded. Check the destination to confirm you received the personalized greeting. If everything looks good, save the workflow and give it a clear name so you can find it later. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.